Hello guys, good morning. I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see what are different file formats in Apache Scoop. So let's see these things one by one and welcome to my channel. So how many file format in Scoop? Scoop supports following four file format for import operation. These four file format Scoop support for import operation. First is text file, second is Avro file, third is sequence file, and fourth is the paraquet file format. So first is the text file format and other three are the binary file format. And we'll see the example of these all file format. Binary file format are Avro, sequence and paraquet file. So let's see text file format. Apache Scoop uses text file format as default file format for importing the data from SQL to HDFS. If we want to import data into text file, then we need to specify --text file in scoop command. So this is the example. And in text file format, there is the two-way we can specify --text file and we cannot specify this text. So first we are going to see by using --text file text. So in this example we can see that I specify here --text file. So Scoop will import the CT data into this file and this file will work as a text file. And now let's see the next things. In this example, as we can see, without using --as text file text. So in this example, as we are saying that we do not add --as text file. Scoop import this data, but as we know that by default Scoop use text file when it import data onto the HDFS. So if we do not specify any file format, then by default it will take as text file. Now let's see the next file format. Next file format is Avro file format. Apache Scoop is generate data serialization system. Avro uses a concept called schema to describe what data structure are stored within a file. The schema is usually encoded as a JSON string. Scoop generates schema automatically based on the metadata information retrieved from the database. Avro file can be enabled by specifying the --as-avro data file parameter. So this is the example. In this example we can see that we are going to import city table record and we are going to store on this location, and this file we have mentioned as Avro file. So like this way, when we execute this command scoop-import --connect JDBC :mysql : localhost, and here is the DB name --username root, and you can put your username --password my password, you can put your password --table table name, and I mention here the cities table --target -dir the path of file where we want to import data --as-avro data file. So when we execute this command, Scoop import this city data into this Avro file. And now let's see the next file format. Next file format is sequence file format. Sequence files are binary file format that store individual record in custom record specific data types. This format supports exact storage of all data in binary representations and is appropriate for storing binary data. This file type can be enabled by specifying the --h-sequence file parameter. For MapReduce, reading from sequence file is higher performance than reading from the text file, as records do not need to parse. So this is the advantage of sequence file in MapReduce. The sequence file is a special Hadoop file format that's used for storing objects and implement the writable interface. For MapReduce, record will consist of key and value pair. Thus, uses as empty object called null writable is place of the value. So these things we will see in MapReduce sessions, that how it work. In brief, we can see that when MapReduce use sequence file, then MapReduce performance become very high. Now let's see the example of sequence file. This is the example of sequence file. As we can see that same things we only specify here --h-sequence file. When Sqoop execute this command, it places the cities data into this sequence file. So now let's see the next things. Next we are seeing the paraquet file format. Paraquet is a column-oriented binary file format intended to be highly efficient for types of large-scale queries. It is similar to others columnar storage file format as RC file and ORC file format. We will see that what is the RC file and what is the ORC file. These things, ORC file and RC file, used in Hive. We will see. It is developed by joint effort of Twitter and Cloudera. Paraquet is developed by Twitter and Cloudera. Importing data into Paraquet file, we need to specify --h-paraquet file. So this is the example. In this example, as we can see, these all things are same. Sqoop space import, and this is the connection string, and we are going to import cities table, and this is the target file. As we mention here, paraquet file. After that, we mention --h-paraquet file. So when Sqoop execute this command, then automatically it imports cities data into this file and it convert this file as paraquet file. So like this way, today we have seen that Sqoop import data in 4 file format. First, text file format. Second, Avro file format. Third, sequence file format, and fourth is the paraquet file format. So this is all about the file format in Sqoop. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel.